Lolekia la wa. Abomwe wagbon. Abomwe. Uho wagbon. Lolekia we. Ooh. Lolekia. Why he be say? All the people who they do mama. Mommy, Prissy Oyekia. Mommy, Denemi, Lolo of Austria. Now, so adulterous, agwa bomuwa. Una remember that year? Lolekia mama were there for Austria. Where he buy instrument for, what you call them, smart. These are brother what they call smart. Una no still Lolekia godmother. Now I buy instrument for that one. Lolekia godmother what they call Lolo. Lolekia, the second Lolekia of Austria. Lolekia na Lolekia of UK. Why a godmother na Lolekia of Austria? Una remember? When you can go use a kindergarten money when they pay our children. Go use that, take Molekia, go use that, take buy instrument for smarter fuwa. Una remember? Lolekia, the shape. This one again, mommy. Another of Lolekia mommy, don't go use 100,000, I take all 100,000 euro. I've been 100,000 naira, I don't know. 100,000 euro. They go do Osagie kia. So you not fear for this social media who they PC. You come out. You say, you think if you just come out. Who don't tell where? Then Osagie that chap you 100 million. All of us will just beat, even though everybody they beat on. You know me, more if you know me swag. Agbomuge kene imi muge emehin. Wow. Una don't Osagie rich like that. Lolekia make you go enter house warrior. Because your kpekus goes too for lot. The way Malekete zanzan you for Spain, he goes too for lot. Don't enter house who be over. Usu hungu. Uhunda. Very useless set of people. Don't go use 100 million. You have to tell everybody that you come back. Then you say you be thief. Then you say you be thief. I not care even though that thief not be thief. He gave you for cash Dion. We say Dion. Who wanna be or you gelekin or Jacques Mojemi agbe. But for this one, Lolekia you not fear you can't insult them Osagie mama no good buju egbera. Hey you no man me boya over line okay line me. Your mama enter America. Your mama even enter abroad. Your mama enter Lagos before she buy. Mama don't Osagie dey America. No who aragbo no usu hungu. Because PC your mommy Oyekia. Go use 100,000 euro. Tell Belgian Osagie marry me. A woman of 65 years. You want to get married to a boy of 38 years. Are you mad? Then Mama John Osagie say never. You know na amag behwa. He became too small to marry our age mates. Now you call the come and they insult Mama John. No gbe agbon Lolekia no ogun gbo e na asidi gesi we digin. No huye Osagie to gbo e. No won Osagie to gbo agbon. What beg anya when they talk at that time we na ya amos Osagie wana ogo geta. Oh, and waga amune nova. Then you dare come and the last say, Ataya, she done a shaggy. He never still get washed in today. Why be saying your mommy now they open big pekus for him? Oh, why you turn you 100 million ya in here? No, we are Prissy, I want to ask you a question. You just Osagie na your picking. Dion Osagie na your son when you born with your kpekus. You go allow married 65 years old woman like you. And usu hungu. Bleach ma get up with your man. Makeup he do me well. Prissy aka makeup do me well. Who ye bleach ya dag mo well marry again who says 65 years in there. I'm young. You know they carry me rotate they look your face say you know young. No matter you do the makeup rich, who ye wa osila. See all your face na wrinkle e yak balo. No wasun bagbon. You think when your crack come out, everybody they call the Osagie Omila. Everybody your they beat am. Even though they also show me that they beat am, me I not go beat am for this one because your belly case tagu wa mo kanibia. Osagie was not like that when he started. He was very respectful. Osagie was very respectful. Osagie was very responsible. Now una karuna to Togo mitan. Ona so anyu we die. Ebe re na gi ona gi kona. Wana to on wa you e movi o khakereria. Omon wa ba bia nu hije tok bugwa. Wana to wa you e moria. How can a 65 years old woman say one married 38 years old boy? Ona mi how it dey happen? Impossible. You come out here, call the shout, I did business with you. My business money. He didn't me. Hey, boy, who was soon will go back with you, PC. Who are no cagbo? Who are not there? Why, ho, I did business with Jay Shanke. He had to pay me back, my man. Which money you want to pay you back? Who buy back? Since me there for this social media, I was one. A supporter of Osagie. I was once his supporter. Now when they start to they beat people, when we stand for them. Now Sophie na be bebo. Wagis wa amweri ane wa magyo wa ma. Wana ku bi o khakebe o kwa o kan obi wana ku en obori. Now you they come out. I did business. This I know Osagie. I never see Osagie for a businessman. Now, fundage now, the only this thing where come they talk one time, I saw it, they do what they call it, what real estate agent. The real estate agent will do. You not even do and reach 2 months. Now, if papa property now they start real estate. Then you can't come out now, so you now do business. Which business now do? Which business? Which woman? Go say he the friend man. He go come say business so he do with you. What one ya kwani? Who was gbe o gbo pisi. Oh gbo back boa. Ero momo obi aju awa. I'll call you back, my dear brother. And the red momo bi aju awo. Menu wa ya mo Osagie obi ya wa na onu wa mo bi ya yi jobo. Ero gbo mo ju wa wa ya red momo ju wa ya momo bi aju wa o. Menu bi Kani what we saying? Whenever you hear no concon. Harry who no cagbo, whenever you hear, whenever I'm wearing, whenever you are wawa. He doesn't want be people like this PC for us in also who I believe say we need for still to Osagie for us. Osolobo abago solobo agbe arun. He happy ne. I want him to be adopt. Why not you am where you wanna swallow pepper soup there? You know what pepper soup Osagie na Osagie na Osagie. Pepper soup in wena ni ale wena. Pepper soup nwomo. Pepper soup stashi. Pepper soup nwomi kpedi. Pepper soup nwomogi. Pepper soup nwomi kiabo. Nenemi hinagwe ina no inawe ya mo vokana ya. Hinagwe tia ya mo area ya fi mi yo Prissy is a ye bolle I know Osagie ye bolle ne. There you we no mudia no vokani. Who da ije ma bi agoma. Amo to ma be do bi age. There you ije go Osagie ije hu ije no ma no mudia ne keke be no be mi no mudia ne. A to bobe mi no Osagie eve. Omo ne. There you ije no mudia ne. O wa amwebia. Who wa amwebia wa ya ki ne kebe no bi agwa. Enu wa we se wana frustrated wana you hate frustrated wana ye bolo kwa. There you ije no mudia ne. Prissy lian ugbe o agbon ebe mo bi agwa o. Boy and wa ale no kani. Ogaje UK wa ale bo ne bo wa ale ra ne. Na me wa so won Osagie abi kenu wa ye. Prissy lian wa so won Osagie. Oh wo ho wa ready. Ho wa back keke na wo saloboa. Ina wa mi owo no ba. Oh, wo na get the say, oh, wo ni mane dose. He na wo ni. Oga yellow. Back in. Episle wa so wono Osagie. How you go back here in a wosalobwa. In a way being here o kanai. Debu ya no muja ne we nu ke gbon nu gbe o ba gbon ni wa bo la we gbe. Nu hu yo Osagie togbo. La re lo le kia ogun ogbijua. Ogun ogbijua. Iyo Osagie be ba ni be. Pisi ga anyu we no Osagie. Tian, please leave when alone when it's too smart for you. I can take care of you. And you gonna use money to the test Osagie. Leave I love. I can be there for you. Just marry me. Just marry me. Go see an Osagie don't put your nyash. The man when you born your useless daughter for. The man he enter UK. 3 months now you take driver enter a cycle. No su hu go back more. You can't say Osagie do mu. Who want carry Osagie? Ha do bomi Osagie ero egbe Osaka ene. No wana do ya vision, wana do ya tije ni ba bola wa egbe nu hu je to gbugwa. Ne rati wa bu we mi no je nu gbe o ba gbon. Hu dano gba be. Osagie je me no je na be na. O ba bi yo ku be na. Wana no. Abu enu kegbo. Awu eno lila. Uwe no ye nyama uwe ne poto, uwe ne po. Awu ene gbogbogbo, uwe ne gbagbagba, uwe ne gbaski. Why you he? Why ya ye? Why na me we? O ma se TV yoku yoku wa dan ye. Why na you he ku wa kan obi you wan wasu hu go bagbon. You do this thing with her. I do business with Osagie. I beg una wey dey listen to me. I know they see comment o. Una wey dey listen to me, I beg. Which business? Una know what you know Osagie for this social media? Is Osagie a businessman? No, Osagie is a charity. A charity orphanage. Now they run. Orphanage of running. Orphanage now they run. I never see Osagie saying a businessman. If not, we for the call a business tycoon. Now orphanage. The name where I give her that time, and then you got my way. He generally ya more till today. Ina rosa. Why you hem where you ina way ina do ina home your fan. Home your fan one enemy. Home your fan one enemy. When you are your bonny be a canny. It was doing it with all his right then. Until he was women like this who don't pissy for us. Osagie. Until they spoiler the face he head to another direction. Whenever I'm walking with them over. They come and say, "Una do business together." Lo le kia nu sun wu ba gbon nu gbe oni no gba wa gbo nu deve wa nu salu lo le kia. Ija wo. Lo le kia born 3 children, all the 3 children when you born, all of them. Now God go they wear. They are all blind. Lo le kia mama blind children. Mama arwao. Ija fozu. First son arwao. Second son, arwao. Third son, arwao. Even the Dion when you marry, arwao. Wa ho wa sun wa bolori komero. Oh bolori komero. See a teach here a mat no ya soke kiere. No ya soke ke maleke the Spain who be o bagbon. Adulterous igbo bagbon. Adulterous. Why be say all your godmother, all of them na ye. E kia, e me kia royan. Ne kia na gbiyan bagbon. No ya rostra, e godmother we no ga rostra. Osagie. E godmother e pisi no be do vie la diana. No vie ye ki Dion Osagie na. Osagie. We to bu we Osagie. No le kia you want to be say you no say maleke na married man. No so who go bagbon. Oh, mommy, yo, that's my mommy, constant. I to go love you, I no lie. You know me now. If I talk, say I love you, just believe me. That's why I just be. Mommy, yo, I better go and see that I too love you. I swear to God, I love you so much. Only God knows that I'm not lying. You too much, mommy. You understand? How you do business with Wetty. 100 million. Which business Osagie they do for this social media where you come warrant 100 million say you want to do business with him? Now let you come out. Yes, Prissy. Now so he help people. He like to donate for people. He like to donate for the less privileged. He even Prissy Osagie de Osagie. Avia yekia. Prissy avia yekia de Osagie. Even Prissy herself. He mama now less privileged. Prissy, oh, he used 3 million. Can you imagine? He used 3 million donate for orphanage. 3 million naira. Now he donate for children who not get mama, less privileged children. Children who not get papa. Children who not get anybody. Prissy avia yeke de Osagie. Where they cry for the Osagie Bola. He donate 3 million to orphanage. My people. Our own mama na orphanage. Our mama they live for a completed building. Salobwa ekia o ekia wagekia Ivie ekavia wagekia ekiare ekio sa Dieu de Ivie nous souhou wagmo ekio viokan pikin when you wish to born 65 years old woman e pancake ki magia ko no your man e American magia ko no your man American was wu American magia ko no your man. Make up, you don't let us know woman we don't old. How can a 65 years old woman? You say you they donate, you are just like that. You are a very nice person. You donate for less privilege. Even your mama is less privilege. How can you donate 3 million to people where you don't know before for outside? Children where you don't know. Your mama, where they beat your mama for Nigeria, for the house where she they stay. You know if you go roof the house where your mama they stay, no so home pisi. Oh, wani jouer l'objet, you must say it quand ni va bolla wani jouer be. No go ba wan me jouer. Wa send the picture je go me papa. Me a wa avio body ya agbihin aba egbo. Ni va bolla we gbe ni va bo fi epon ya lelewe. Mo me bo le siga yo un osun wo. Ya we Ivie ma bo me si ma bo we whisky si. Mo me bo le whisky yo hun. Ida king na so wala ni ba bo be ke da fi ekon jalele igo je kia no amara o je kio saudio your own daughter pc if your pikin your daughter the only one pikin where you get igwagbon menu me omo pa nu wie kian jege since how many years he that one come carry Osagie come for you say mommy this is my husband I want to get you not go tell your daughter say no he's too young for you not to talk of you no agwalekia the one where you dey with you for house you drive on for a cycle una agwalekia Osagie a adulterous woman no man who gbe o agbon like godmother like goddaughter. La pisi o yekia like lolekia o jeke maleke. Usu hungwa. You say now say you they do it for people. Your mama they hungry. Oh I make bishwa wa. Priscilla I make bishwa wa I make bishwa. You come and call they speak English. Speak funny. Yes, like he said. Yes, I did business shaggy 100 million. 100 which business am I go at? Which business na do? You don't say me buy land. You only have a lot of because now that one you the hear say all of the talk. So I give her money me take buy land for me. I use money to buy land. He not can give me the land. He not can give me the money. Where the land? I been one hospital or say na land. Now you use and do. Now land with the business. No buy wagbon no sungu. No sungu wagbon no buy. Ni va bo fie kon jale loe. Nou wan Osagie talk bugwa mi waya you emweri ya. Nou wi je talk bugwa lole kia for you to insult mama Osagie. Mama Osagie ovie be ma o ma gen waya anyu e ma bi. Osagie no na is a bad guy, a sharpshooter. Here, one you man, or who the day, or Sergeant, what will do it, they don't know what's to wobble high, on us wobble high, on a one knock wobble high, Yago honey there. Sergeant, time I reckon ya, what will love you was out there. And can you get that wobble, and I will borrow your gallows out, Jogga, give you a bar, you can hear, you can give you one bogey. And boy, I never, I know it. So, Osagie, ma ona go ti saga e wala de evade cash, evade bad. Osagie na ro wi me. Osagie na ro wi me. Why ni Osagie ga asobo ye gbe dem ni ga tamo e bege ni. Ya we video tamo Osagie le na mi ko na. Who e ye ya mu we ya. No, let care for you to insult Osagie mama. Ogun ga de you e jowa. Yo Osagie ga togbe mo nu bi o ga togbe jowa o asu wu. If I bo we ever bo to ga lawo egbe. E ro ga mo bi ayu a o bi wa wu ya mo Osagie ya yobo. E bi o ga mo bi ayu a o. E lo le care e bi o ga mo bi ayu a o. Your first son ogbonisa. No le care you know the shame. Your first son na nyash de nyash na nyash de nyash only nyash de nyash not be nyash de nak na nyash de nyash. Your first son na PDD client. PDD see Lolekia first son he say Lolekia first son don't run away from me, don't run away from me, come to daddy, don't run away from me, take it. Now, so you they give Lolekia first son. Here, I got this year, take it. Lolekia first gonna say, oh, you say, take it. He just gonna say, yeah, wow, your second son, the last one, go carry the deco for you. The one we senior your mama. Usually, you said, you go carry the one we senior your mama for you, say, you want marry and ubel. For you to insult Osagie mama, your Osagie can talk boy, your mama rich where mama Osagie rich. If you are careful, who if I bucket like you egbe, if you no mind when you see here, one eye, everywhere you may oh what don't way, then not on the other over boss or give you. Who you without him when him we now bell like more. Done. Obola bi ko ojekia maleke si ana ofenenia loleke I don't happen 7 hours missing when you miss for Spain, when you disappear for 7 hours it don't come at you, it don't come as na knocking. Now you go the knock for hotel ugbe o ojekia don't trust woman I dey read the like the Osagie to the give the Osagie egboko Osagie me wari manisetik bossa de social media ba wari egbe ma o wa view e de o wari la de go Osagie gele vie ru go see wetin dey break about. Prissy, go see the video Osagie post where you for the play love for background. Which action? When you say me, because they say it's a groomer, which action? That's on only. How to Osagie me one? On a who heard the day one year ne popo, you know, live done in a year bo live in it. You know, who hear ya live at Osagie. Oh, so was in you. He won't yammer. I say on a year at Bon, getting Osagie. Then I go at once, says out you. How many did they know, not out you? Yeah, I'm a dark boy, yes, I do. You can't like really or what's out you. Why near? Why I can win in your lay? I mean, did the man be Sadio will give we abu more. If we are boy, if we want my get. Oh, what's the what will I say? John, I me way. Eh, the dog it was here, you way. I mean, did the man be. I mean, see me see yet. Oh, it was here, you way. Gonna lot any away 100 million. On under teacher Lolo ita your talk and say, there is a gay that live here. There is a gay that you want come up with 1 million. The 1 million go. This pound way Osagie give you, your fee donator. The way Osagie give you woto. Ona can we on this one. They say Osagie give her for Nyash. Osagie we be agbo this one. I want they say if you see PC Nyash. He may pose Osagie work better in the Osagie they wear condom they give her for Nyash. How have you never listened? They didn't bonisa. Prissy, no bonisa. Useless single mother way they knocking yash and don't trust woman. Wow. Because if mama say, he not go grill. You try to go use money to entice him, mama say, no, they take. You want come and you want to tell us on social media, you think we are fools. And you follow us, I just do business of 100 million. You even donate for the less privileged 3 million naira. You donate for the less privileged. You get 100 million when you take do business with Osagie, but you not get common 200,000 to repair your mama house. Your mama they live for completed building. Shame on you. Wow. I want social media to know me. I want to be a boss lady on social media. I want social media people to recognize me as a boss lady. Wow. See where your boss lady come put in now. Poto, you see how you fool yourself. Who scandalize it, boy? You fool yourself. You fool yourself. I mean, the day here, I know a horse adio. On Hamagi and Soladia. Now, I let you 100 million, wag, he's your boliquoja ever do. He's your boliquoja ever do. Masseti, you were completed building. But you see money waiting, they donate 3 million for children who is not born. Ou might not bury a Bijian who are back bone. Name not bury a Bijian boy. Priscilla. Priscilla no Jekia. Oh, Jekio Osagie. Ooh, I don't trust woman. After the woman they can't do business. After the woman donate 3 million to orphanage, to Osagie orphanage. Now Osagie comes here and say he get money. He can't the toast and lie. This woman don't they open pekus for Osagie for years. For years, Okpeno can you in it. Osagie no quit for. Now when Osagie go visit her, now he can't cook ogbolo soup and padedia for Osagie. He can't put something for his side. Osagie saying just they sleep for night. Osagie saying just they sleep for night. He say just see. He say normally if they go they visit all members. I see you're still there for the city. You must say, no, you don't need to sleep in the hotel. Come to my house. I have a big house. I have a big apartment. Come to my house. No, go back, go yekia. I may ekyo waka gwalo, nekyo waka boy, nekyo sa jo buwe nya. Ekyo we are 65 years old woman. Una has you, una be has you ni sa no gberak bijou. No, Dion. No. You're in my city. No, you have to come to my house. You don't need to go to hotel. You go to hotel, it's too expensive. I have a very big house. I have a big apartment. I'm just living alone with my sickle cell daughter. Sickle cell, oh yeah. The only one picking where Priscilla get my sickle cell, the daughter. No, I live alone with my daughter. You don't need to go to the hotel, sleep. Just come to my house and crash. Now Osagie can say, okay, no problem. Osagie they call her, yes ma, yes mommy. Osagie they call her mommy. Osagie doesn't say mommy, they look for you care. Now Osagie can go in house. Oh my God, you welcome to Osagie. You welcome. Now he can cook a bowl of soup. Me pa de dia put. Osagie na, ya ubege, umono ekekebe, ma. He can't cook up bala soup, me pa de dia put. He can't put any key for them, Osagie, or he like any key. Vinny, I won't like any key, very like his mustache. Imagine why I only have here any. He can't put that for the Osagie, go eat. Like, oh my God, no, just go to the bedroom, take your bath, relax. Osagie say, come to me, go sleep for guest room. As Osagie, you sleep for guest room, you don't tire, you don't drink mustard and any key. He just leave. Osagie say the next thing where he dey hear. He say be like say he call the dream. He say the next thing. He say something they move. He be like say na mat they move for Igbola. He mat they move for Igbola. He say he come be like say na they say he come wake up. As Osagie wake up, then he see the mat for Igbola. Now Osagie say no mommy. Mommy, what are you doing? Mommy, no, you don't do this. My bola is in your mouth. Mommy, you're sucking it. Mommy, no, no, no. I'm a man. The thing is already standing up. No, mommy, you're sucking my bola. No, mommy, remove your mouth. Oh, Sadio, siekia. E de ma kwen Osagie siekia yo no be. E de da egbe you na egbe you baby va you know ya deke Osagie you. Onaga sie. Don't you like it? Sadio said, no, mommy. It's good, but mommy, you are mommy. Mommy, I can't do this. Mommy, I can't do the vaga. A woman that is my mother's age mate. I can't do the vaga, you mama. Mommy. Now the woman Prissy said, no, I'm not your mommy. I'm not your mommy. Don't you see my face? I'm very young. Now that makeup now they deceive Priscilla. He not know say her face not because 65 years old woman. See, look at my face. I'm young. Don't worry. I'm very, very educated. I have money. I can give you 20 million, 200 million. Don't worry. Oh, Sadio, you not see me kia would do Priscilla do no sombo. And Priscilla Marie do ye kio Sadio not ga see. Osagie need to arrange himself. Me the day Priscilla yekia ne ya you know ya see ekia ifo. Osagie say as sucker. The dollar don't raise. He said the next thing. Now so the woman just boo. Ona wa fanya. The Priscilla reposadio. Priscilla want to tanya o ekiosadio. Ona ga say wow. You marry me. Don't reason my age. Just look at my face and look at my money. Reason my money. I give you money. Any money you want. 200 million. 1 billion euro, I give it to you. Oh, you enjoying it. Hey, Priscilla, he to say Priscilla quit bon. He go boss at your age, matey. Hey, baby Jiffy, Buddha, oh, baby Jiffy, oh. Yeah, Hey, Dion Chief, over your heart, baby Jiffy. Hey, Priscilla, why your sergeant not here, Dion Chief, or sergeant over your heart, and I'm a baby Jiffy. Now make we give him baby chief. Hey, Priscilla, I know why you're here, Dion Chief. Hey, Dion Chief. Osagie, I do ask you my job. Priscilla, I can't promise Osagie, don't worry, I'll give you money, I'll give you this. Not do. Priscilla, don't thief Osagie mama number for inside Osagie for. Begin they call Osagie mama. He tells Osagie mama, say, tell Dion mama, say, he just the help, he just they do, because of what they do, he just they help, the less privileged, blah, blah, blah. Then mama say, thank you very much, my daughter. Not do. Priscilla still carry her phone. Useless woman. Desperado. Priscilla, pissy. Oh, shake Dion Osagie. No, be a mokpa, can over here. Ukpa mokpa no wobie. Prissy cost to use phone, take call Mama Dion say, Mommy, me and Dion, we are having an affair. Yes, I love him. We are dating. Mama say, okay, una dey date now. I'm not fit tell now what I want to do. I hear. Now, after some time, Priscilla will call Mama Sadio. Mommy, I beg, tell your pikin, no marry. I'm a very nice woman, 65 years old woman. Now my mom said, just call Sadio, Sadio over here. Oh, my baby over here, 65 years old. Oh, give me time, West Sadio. Why are you baby now? When if you come marry this kind old woman, if una can't greet me, wait till I call the greeter. I only down the greeter. Because the woman, I not senior. Now the woman tete Priscilla Kia say, I not get for it, I leave my son alone. Priscilla Kiana, he called they say, Mama Osagie, now if I later there, he then was I don't know, whoever don't trust women work bell. How can you come out now and say 100 million euro? 100 million euro who bell back 100 million euro here boy. You will not fit take off your mama, rich woman, billionaire, millionaire. Pasnia, Where they help less privilege, where mama they suffer, even your mama are less privileged. We need to find your mama picture come out. In fact, we need to donate for Mama Priscilla. Priscilla, oh, Osagie, they donate for other people what she don't know before. But the mama they suffer. Make una give me mama picture. More can't donate for mama. At least 200,000 naira go. At least in my area, or completed beauty no soon go back no bell. No. You they come and send 100 million. Now son, which 100 million? 100 million when you take beg Osagie, may marry you. 100 million when you take the fuck Osagie, when you take Osagie, don't worry, I'll give you money, I'll give you money. You want to say you can do business. Which business? A business a care. A business a care ye care. No bow back mo. When mu what Priscilla say, na young boy like Osagie, we hear do ye guayakara, no ye go you way. No ye you go away, no are you anyway. No he go back mo. Na you a go back mo. I wanna ye kia go mo. No you head bo ye. When I get bomb of Panubia, who so who wa Prissy, look at how you fooled yourself. When you came out, when they talk the rubbish, therefore yesterday when you come out for live video, you were beating around the bush. Yeah, like you people are saying, yeah, dating. There was nothing like that. It was just strictly business. Go see your goddaughter, Lolekia, the adulterous woman, Maleke side chick. Go see her. Go see the video what she do. She'd already talking. Say you guys dated. You guys did not even date. Una not be saying una date. You guys dated. No. Now you date Osagie. You dated Osagie. It was false. You forcefully dated Osagie. You raped Osagie. We need to sue you for child abuse. We need to sue Priscilla for child abuse. Because just imagine, Mona see the difference now, the age difference. Mona see the age gap, 65 years and 38 years. I take sub. 65 years and 38 years. I take sub. We need to sue Priscilla Kia for child abuse. Priscilla Kia, you abuse Osagie. You be Priscilla Kia, what are you? Hey, you are a pedodo. Pedo-fa-fi-fi-fi. Pedo-fe-fe-fe. I don't want to talk well, I know it's how they talk. Priscilla the pedo-fe-fe. Priscilla the pedo-fi-fi. Priscilla, 65 years old woman. When you go rape 38 years old boy. Priscilla the pedophile. Priscilla, you are a pedophile. You are a pedophile, pedophile. Why? Once I don't talk more, Lolekia. If I ball la, why if I go asungu. Lolekia no. Only why ho. Lolekia be the look for Osagie, but I don't see. You don't see. Lolekia, what to make you disappear for 7 hours for Spain reunion? You don't like Osagie. The video what you do yesterday, you talk him. You say you don't like Osagie. You never liked him. So you sure say you didn't went to that reunion because of Osagie. You went to that reunion because of Maleke. That was why, or that was the reason you disappeared for good 7 hours. Good 7 hours. Now Lolekia to disappear. Why then Lolekia cannot hear? Osagie is Prissy for us. Priscilla abused Osagie. Priscilla is a pedophile because he abused her. He abused me. The age difference too much. It's too much. How can a 65 years old woman say they fell love for 38 years old boy and the Ugbewa don't make her marry you? Marry Kiki. Marry Kiki ni. No so who Priscilla. When we are with Osagie, when we are you when the name was Osagie, oh, yeah, me another one crack. Come on, what of yellow who are soon who are bell. Priscilla, yeah, 100 million with Kia. Or glad you are waiting here with business. In the business, you go when or work because all visual. No gun anak big you completed beauty no ye Priscilla no gun ene you akpiko. No gun soon we you no good day you are Priscilla no good day you akpiko ni akpiko. Hey Priscilla, hey two oge here ifwa tete. Priscilla wa mamu we babu go we na mo tu no fwa. Una bodo Osagie no afa. I was Osagie ya weni. Ebo owie ye lai. Osagie. I went down angry. Osagie wa mi agbo mi o kakere. We dede. Osagie waka we dede. Osagie na kabo ida we ga logbo lo we ga lo wo ngino ya le pesu pu we ge iye. Iye ga so wo we du ge iye ge boye ya so wo ni do Osagie. Ina wa akọ ya so wo ni ya senu eni. Ina wa akọ. Uda owo na ya akọ se Osagie ina wa ho e. Owo na ya akọ se o yellow e ba kia. Ina we Osagie wa ya tun ya na wi ku ni degbe na wi ku ni ohu ala. Ina we iya ga so wo nu e ge ina wa akọ. Ina we boye ya so wo nu. Ina uda owo ni ya senu Osagie ina wa ba kia. Osagie de you. O salobo awe se wo gba wo. Eni ka lo to le do ya wa we se Osagie ba de you wo oge Priscilla le dede. E na atana iga go Osagie ma ri bi. Osagie ri ya wo mu wo dede. Osagie oge yi we dede Osagie. Osagie ga yo wi ye ga le ra do ege yi ba di keke ba de we gbo Osagie. Do we walk in Osagie we total we do we o we that's we Osagie all messy we wa here to wa who wa the responsible Osagie who was so happy o wo le lo we here na ri won mo here Osagie we na ba big go here was so one when here ye boss so one when oh one no back here ina wo saloboa you ye do me you se he ye me gwa ka boss wo me wa me gwa so wo he no mama e kinu da na so wo do wo back ya se gbi bi oboni me so wo ya bi si he no me mama be wo ni ya se do back o yellow o ye ki he to back ke no sa lo po he no Osagie ye oh, iwa bi era any no Osagie iwa yo win they give me pepper soup, they give me ogbolo soup. Osagie iwa bi ni iwa ye boya le any no Osagie iwa bi ye bone. Osagie iwa boy yo we. Osagie iwa bi have dede 80 years iwa bi nu le ki ya soke kia. Iya ga soke kia. Have dede na le Priscilla ni ga soko Osagie kia. O si Osagie. O ma me mo ko ne enwuni. Oh, mama, kone wini ni na soke spam ya for Osagie we share spam ye we kia. Deliver kia ni. Deliver kia ni. Wa do we 24 days fasting and prayer yo. Ne kia ni. Spam ni ya fe. Na me de Priscilla kia no soke ye kia ni we. All those spam we be retrieve ya in the mighty name of Jesus. Retrieve ya in Jesus. Osagie oge give ye le lo e ni ta be se ma. Osagie. Ye. O mo pa iwa lu wo mo e de be dogba. Me yi gun wo mo e na si e dudu ida wo na un wo e. Me na ogun wo be un black soup no. E no Osagie ya bi e ma. O ya bi e ma. Osun gbodo gbe na we un wo e na kino gba si na. Ina we boy ya lu mo e na no kana. Any tasos Osagie ba bi e boy wala de na the cash. The cash na wo salo po ye no e di begeita. E boy ya le na wo kana e salo po. Here is a ye boy ya le na Osagie e Priscilla no ye kia. Osagie e ga be kene mu yi e kia rito. E mu ni obi ebe. Obi o kan rebe no. Obi ebe ni de kia. Hage no mwini na Osagie obi o kan rebe ga no. Obi ebe ni de kia to bro. Oni de kia no ya nwa. Gbera be no je. Osagie o iwa de nya nwini ese 1 second o to e kwa neja. So kun o ga be kena be dedeji o gba gbe 20 hours mu ya. Ina wo salobo na wona omo toto. Mi toto. Priscilla Oh, yeah, yeah. You may walk out to toy. Una wa una where you're boring. Una where you're boring, Priscilla, no go back boy, Priscilla, go back boy, oh, go back boy, oh, go back boy, Priscilla, what did you do way wrong? My brother Gabriel, okay, what I think, Gabriela, Gabriela, I want to ask you a question, my dear sister. The man when you the friend, you use 100 million, take beggar. May marry you. Then because the man can say no, they do again. You can't come and they cry, say you follow the man, do business. Gabriel, I want to ask you a question. You know Dion Osagie as a businessman for this social media. Any pumpe wa get temata. Because Kia no can reach Priscilla Kia hand. Dion Osagie Kia no can reach hand. Dion Osagie no can make Kia le. Or te ball lemu. E ba me nwe. Now Priscilla call the cry come and say, now so you use 100 million to follow and do business. Gabriel, I may you ask Priscilla Kia when you say you use 100 million to follow and don't do business, why mama they live for completed building? Sister will get money where mama they live for completed building. Sister will use 3 million where you donate 3 million to less privileged where mama they live for completed building. Even your mama. Priscilla is the day je kia mama. As we speak now, day for Bini. Oh, je kia Priscilla mama as we speak now, mama day for Bini. You are more than a less privilege. Business idea. I beg you, Gabriel, I don't do. Which one be business idea? Business idea here, ma. It's a kia idea. Marry me idea. Give me a Kia to infinity idea. Now break comment. Not be saying any business. No business. None of us, me and none of us Dion as a businessman. It is not called business idea. It is called a Kia and marry me idea. They give me this a Kia steadily. Or just say, he know they give Priscilla a Kia again. Say he don't carry a Kia wrong. He know feed the poor, he don't spam. For empty womb again. That cause wala so. When Priscilla on the cry, Priscilla, you are a shameless idiot. Look at how Sergeant's humiliating your stupid self. Pay waiting. My sister Gabriela. Money when they do prick, that they pay them back. You don't do. Auntie Gabriela, don't zoom forget that thing. Money when they do a carry, they pay them back. Auntie Gabriela, don't zoom more rest more the talk truth. I'm not to get her. I can't know. Una hear say Priscilla say, na land I want follow her. I bet that zoom on arrested. I care business. Which one be say the business, the money too much, the amount is too much. Which care amount too much? You use that say we care. There's nothing like business there. Wait, I want to ask you that question. You and your boyfriend, you give her money. Then later you can say that business now do you can't believe say that money. I beg if you not talk say Osagie don't pay the 100 million. Say the money is too much. I agree with you now. Osagie will pay the money. I beg, make una tell Priscilla say all this spam where Osagie give her. All this spam where Osagie give Priscilla oye kia the day. No ho no soon. Priscilla no baoge monoma bien no baoge less privilege ije oro wa na ma fi ve Nigeria. Ije no completed beauty in Nigeria. Wa go make me Priscilla mo na tell her say all the spam was I don't give her make give her back. She will pay for the spam. Okay. I beg Osagie spam. Normally spam we not feel calculator, but me I just put math for small amounts. Osagie spam is worth 20 billion pounds. 20 billion pounds. I bet Mona take Prissy Kia, make it pay Osagie 20 billion pounds for his palm where he wastes for our body. Therefore, inside the 20 billion pounds, Osagie can take 100 million euro, pay him back. Any book bay, you're gonna have a care investment here. Begging that's I think I better if that brother's uncle. Oh my God, come and say, yes, you this guy, if you're not presenter, how you go talk for this thing? If to say Ekia and Beku smart and no enter, not be problem. We go drag us out that money. But if me Ekia and Beku's day, so long Ekia and Beku's don't day, the woman use money, take money, kill Osagie. Because Osagie can see no they do again. Now me can cry come out. Why she not cry come out since? Do you know that Prissy has been begging Osagie, please, come back to me. Let's come back. Get married to me. Don't worry, I'll sponsor the marriage. I will do this. I will do that. Osagie baskele. Osagie tebo lemu. She don't they beg Osagie, beg and beg Osagie, say never, you know they agree again. You know they do again. You know if they waste his pan for old woman quickness. That make her come cry come out. Why she not cry come out all this way? But you tell me no lie. You get money where they draw. Money where prick and toto don't enter. You feel draw more. Not be money where prick and toto day. Are you your day? So Prissy, I want to ask you a question. You na woman. The man when you date, your own boyfriend, your ex-boyfriend, or man who on a fair date, who on a date. Because you know they do again. You say you know they do again. Your husband or your ex-boyfriend will come and say you the whole now 20,000 euro. Or maybe 1,000 euro. What do you want to talk? My sister, I don't do more they talk truth too. We know so I don't get you for body. But this one, we go talk truth. The way they take one spoils our own life. You see this old woman. Done. When I not see her. For the reunion where they go. Now say they follow Osagie. They speak English. Ekia. That's they have been dating for a very long time. Mona go see video what Osagie post. Now because this my phone, I never plug her. I never charge her. They come out from work. I for play her phone now. Osagie posted a video where for the dentist. Osagie posted a video. Go to Osagie work. Go and watch the video. Where Prissy Kia they put low tune for them. Oh, you're gonna do it. I think do it, yes, baby. That's I care the sweeter. Because Osagie can say no, they do again now. Or head of here like they weigh 100 million. 100 million pa. TV billion no. Mona ask Prissy and the Lolekia no money waho yekia. Oh yekia maleke adulterous woman. Osagie say you be adulterous woman because Osagie see you. He see you and make ya de you or who Lolekia. Mona ask Lolekia say Lolekia, why you dey insult Mama Osagie? Why you dey insult Mama Dion? Mama Dion dead there where Prissy Kia. Prissy Osagie, Prissy Osagie. No be pomokpa. Prissy Osagie no who. Prissy Osagie no donated 3 million monoma Kenya kere. Sokma ije ore on completed building. Prissy Osagie. Mona ask no Lekia no who awagbon. Igi yaro ao. Osagie maleke. Mona ask her why she dey insult Mama Dion. Mama Dion did there. Where Prissy Kia they open pekus for Dion Osagie. Mama Dion did there where Prissy Kia they cry for Dion Osagie. They say, oh yes, baby. Oh yes, baby, it's there. Oh baby, give it right there. Oh baby, you're doing well. Oh baby, that's it. Oh baby, touch it. Oh baby, give it. Oh baby, hit it. Oh baby, it's there. Mama Osagie did there. No suhu Priscilla no gbeo. No suhu. Na social media. Oh yeah, go to court. Priscilla can go to court. What's Osagie? If you reach court, make sure say That business where you say una do, because now just say social media people na fools. Now if you say some their head not correct for inside, say they be mumu. Now this is now everybody be mumu. Go soon Osagie Prissy kia o ye Osagie. Go soon. Make sure say as you go court as you want go soon. On that very court day, make sure say you carry the document which of una take sign the business una do. 100 million documents. You think you can just come on social media because you think they are fools like you on social media? You just come out and say, me and Osagie will do business together. He not give my money back 100 million euro. Because you think they are fools like you, like Lolo here on social media. No more bottle. That will not ask for the what's it called, contract. You cannot do, how can you do a business without a contract? More on tell Prissy can make show a contract of the business when she do with Osagie. Now, she the cry put because I just say no, they do again. Okay, soon we na fima ana gbe no na salwa no na devewo. No yo Osagie na to gbe. No hu mo boki o mo gbe na to gbe. How can you just come out of because you think people are fools like you? You think you can deceive people, you can deceive fools like you, fools like Lolo and some other gullible idiots out there. But you cannot deceive all. You cannot just come out on social media and say, this person, I follow and do business, business of 100 million. Without contract, bring out the thing, the contract one aside together, say, una do business together. You think you are dealing with fools? If that business was so important to you, that money really means something to you, as in 100 million euro. Now big money, oh yes, of course. Now very big money. How can you do a business with somebody without you not sign? Business of 100 million euro. Are you mad right now? It does not be a kia you can't do. No so hungu. Priscilla no good day you are one who very war. No kun you are born you are who you are called. No kun day you are yowa. Oh kun no geze. No na su unsungu bagun. Ni no bagwa ana gbonu ana de vewo anu ana de buekun. Da no babe. A shawo yekia. Adulterous woman. You don't see person. If that money, where you dey draw now, say not because of a care. If that money was so important to you, how can you say you are learned, you are educated? How can you do it? You cannot even, an educated person, a learned person, cannot do business of even 1,000 euro with somebody without a document, without being, as in, without showing anything for it. Without a signature, without a proof. An educated person, before you go into business with anybody, before you make a business deal with anybody, before you say, okay, this person, you want to do business with this person, even though at 2,000 euro, it has to be documented. That is how it rolls in Europe. Even in Nigeria, these days, they don't put It is okay, you can go to the police. For the whole of Europe, if you go to this, go meet police, say, you borrow this person money. Police go say, okay, the right hand now. But if you don't make your statement, they go tell you, say, where the paper won't sign together. They want the paper where your signature on it, the person's signature there, even on 100 euro. If you feel provide that signature, even on 100 euro, now you borrow that person, if you provide that signature, you will get your money back. And that person will still pay the court, when they tell, or the police, he will still pay, they'll give us traffic. After you don't pay your 100 euro, because signature day of you and the person say, you lend this person money, the person sign. Since so they will want to give you sign. How much more? You just go cut. You think say social media now they look us now. Una feel say we be talk active who are who. Una feel say we dey tell ourselves, oh go say we not go school say we be mumu. You think you can just come here? Come on social media. Social media won't even strong passport. You can just come on social media and fool anybody. Just come out there and say, there's a side he duped me 100 million euros. Now business I follow and do. Where is the signature? Bring the contract when you are there to do that business. Where your signature and the signature day. You don't go still there with her, your own go there with you. Your own signature go there for your own. Your own signature go there for you. Provide it. Osagie go pay. Provide it. Go court. Even though in Nigeria, now you for sue Osagie will pay so long there's an evidence. But no evidence. You declare now, say Osagie dupe you 100 million. Say you and Osagie do business of 100 million euro. And you they speak English like person like better person or jekia no so go let you Osagie boy. I greet you, Baba Ed in the house. Wow, longest time I know they see you again. Don't tell Baba. What did they happen now? Not be so. You don't leave your girl for one corner. Happy New Year, me hate am when I be they know him. Me me Baba. You know. You can't speak for them. They speak. Yeah, alright. Ne bogbo, who ne bogbo akpiko. Esi no gwazebo no ma enegbe no vieye kia. Esi no gwazebo no vieye kia vi okan ugbe o bagmo ni no gbagbo no de vewa no de salwa no de go. No so go bagmo. Ni va bo wiye va bu wo va be mi ame lawo egbe no lawo egbe na. No go no gbe sharon anagbo e. No go no gbe sharon anade yo ejowa. Esi no webo. I hook my ball the lake and no boy bagmo. While they look my book here, any boy with friend, you any small picking when you catch, picking when reach to be your picking, you they do juju to take capture to take be your husband who boy bagmo. No who bagmo. It's not my neck be. It did done. They cry, how they speak English as educated. When you talk, say you are educated. How can you do a business of 100 million naira, 100 million euro with somebody without proof, without that business being documented, without any document for it, without any signature? Are you mad right now? Thank you, Baba Head. Thank you. I know some I work. You know easy. You get your the need task. Your mind easy. I want when I webo Baba. Saloba no deba. May God bless the works of our hands. You know our hustle. Amana hustle. How do I hear you gonna happy go wa? Awe if you wina ama bowa. If you wina ama di moto egbo wo. So kwa imado imi go ni hear parent. Ima imi go ni hear be you know. Ogano no bore no. Eya pay go wa me. That's something. Uma understand. Me ma ye na ge ave mani o hua ni the government mana be na ne ye ma be go ni na ye be ya o hua. Epa, may God bless the work of your hand. Amen. Baba Ed Idausa. The truth has to be said. Prissy Ekia, Prissy Oyekia, take this issue now, take it to VDN. Very dark man. The thing where very dark man will ask you, he go say, Madam, yes, I've heard you. I don't hear everything you talk. Please, can you just kindly send me the contract? Because 100 million not be small money, my people. But the thing just be say this woman they cry because Osagie just say you know they fuck, you know they do the vagaram again. Osagie say, yes, he no fit do the vaga make us out make us again. That made this man the crowd say, Venan like Benevia and Beragmo. No, soon who was Osagie talk be. If you have Osagie, you know, where you are going, and I'm here where, oh, what kind of Osagie, no, Osagie, Bob, Hamiana, Wefwa, who held the Batanu, who are no Zelebo, Abu and Ozebo, in a Yaku, or what kind of Yena Wefwa Bay. Ema ya no mano Osagie na kwef yagi yefe veni yefe mudia no Osagie se yefe bi Osagie na go bi e yena yo Osagie do ya ro bi yefe yena yo Osagie ya ro bi yefe we no e mo mini we no mudia no Osagie se o mudia nere na mu me no ije mudia no mo abu he nu ke gboda wo ni fade yena yo Osagie do ya ro bi yefe kwere kwere unu yefe togbu wa na popa ne unje fe togbu wa no uhu wa kugbu wa no popa no wa so hungu no ho Osagie togbu unje fe togbu wa ma ya no so foundation ni me ya the boy Osagie ye ke Osagie na mo e Osagie na gele ama wa ba yu emu area uhu ma ya togbu wa uhu ma ya togbu e Prissy me wa ya yu emu Osagie ya now na call the laugh out today okbu e wa ya mu area now na call the laugh out today say that so wife from live and wa so hungu ba mo he wa ya ko bo kan yo boy. How can you come out, you call yourself an educated woman, a learned woman? Say you are enlightened. You call yourself an enlightened woman that you are enlightened. How can you come out to tell the world, so Prissy, you follow and do business of 100 million euro? Are you mad right now? Even 2,000 euro. 100 million euro, you take and follow Prissy do business and it's not documented. Are you mad? It's based on a care. You take out money because you use that one, you be what a thousand. Sergeant, don't worry, I have money. Tell the Sergeant, don't worry, I have money. Just marry me. Just be with me. I'll give you this, I'll give you that. Who you got money? You they come and send a business. Oh, walk boy. A business walk boy. Oh, walk boy. A business walk boy. He's what they hear. Have you completed this way? You're completed this way. Oh, seeing you ever. Oh, walk before who you saw just talk book away like you walk bell back more. While I don't want to have here. Mona call the cry. Hey, don't dupe me. You say we are the people you come out. You come out. I just dupe me on the billion. I bet you know who are not running away like that. Osagie is a chief. Osagie is. I have also a different, but this one, we not go buy him. We act no make here. Ni meke ta mo Osagie. Una way still they call the right time for you. No, they insult me. That's why they tell us this Osagie. These people, these old women, they will make your life miserable. Osagie was on top of the world. They fly up and down. I'm the most traveled youth, the most enemy, the most youth where they fuck old women. They can't drive it. Young work come for you. I got work on you. Sabi I got beg area with social media. If I'm if you are not way. Now still they call the laugh and say never marry. Are you a Maria? Do a no more Osagie? How the day? Who where? Ne Prissy and who bear back on who bear woman who bear we go now. No who are not need no but what boy who deaf one. No go back where you are home. On where you are quick on where you are home. If you are really I just say all these people when they report all this kind of thing for social media, I just say they are useless and they look them like lack of education and they worry them. How can you call yourself a learned woman, educated woman for that matter? The way they speak, mature, you mature for your parent, mature, your boy mature. How this English way they speak? I cannot imagine, say, as educated as you are, say, 100 million euro. According to you, say, person dupe you 100 million euro, you take for law and do business. When you want for come cry, you can't cry for social media, no soon go back, no one say I don't talk, but you know if you go court. Because you know, say when you go court, you go pay. Osagie, you go pay Osagie for what do you call them? For defamation of character. You go pay Osagie for trying to destroy or spoil his name on social media. You go pay him. You know. That is why. That was the reason you came out on social media. You think say all those gullible idiots. School, like you and Lolekia, they will come out and say, oh, Osagie, the case is Osagie, the bad. If Osagie do the one where we go, the two will go make me tell Osagie, the case is the man that go down. Osagie feed me, bearing a bear where. He back on the soto. But for this one, Osagie not the case, not the body. Madam Priscilla, you can the case, you the money. You the cash, the bush, the guy, you the cash, the money, you fully yourself. You the cash, the money, the fully yourself. Eh, the of you can, the cash, the money, the cash, the money, the cash. Wow. As educated as you are. Now, social media, you have to cut up because you cry for a cry. Go to the court. Go and sue Osagie. Go and sue him. May you see whether number you go pay Osagie for damage. You want to go swan? What you want to go swan? You go court. You say, hello, court. Good afternoon, my judges. On the panel. Good afternoon, everybody. You see this man? His name is Osagie. He tipped me the sum of 1 million naira or 1 million euros. Yes, he tipped me. Yes. He was my business partner. I did a business with him. They will ask you, what business? What kind of business? You'll say, okay, I did a business of bringing guests to Europe, or no. Okay, that's okay, fine. Please, can you give us a proof? Where the proof what you want? Can you imagine? You say you the business woman way not no business. Hey, business woman business woman way not no business. Business woman where they put 100 million for business. He don't know say that they sign. Wow. Where? Ooh, why is there Dion? If a boy don't fear again, see how you disgrace yourself. Now UK she do. Now may she go report to Papa. Now UK she did. Now may she go report to Papa Charlie. My pass my head oh it house. You say that UK you did. You say me you go report to Papa Charlie police. Wow. In fact, go to Charlie. That Charlie that they rule the place. That go be Charlie. Tell Charlie say, oh my king. Good afternoon, my king. Long live my king, Charlie. Please. Just again to me 100 million euros. Please, Charlie, I want you to manage me. I want my money back. One day, Charlie, they can't hear me. We can't hear boy. We hear no radio hear boy. We hear Elizabeth hear boy. Wow. Which proof? Make she bring proof. We want to see proof. Not be proof when she will go for Joe. Loleki will go up and forge and say, yes, I borrowed this. No, the proof we want. Document. You don't want to be document. Documented proof with. After the don't write her, she go say, we go see her signature. We go see Osagie's signature. And not be only she go do them. He go stay there with Osagie because since they be business partner, this one go say, why be me? Oh, Jekia no, Jekia vie, Jekia ba. La Priscilla, come. Since you they cry for prick, now no worry, my pastor young go. We are Mary, a real bonjour. My pa fine young, go let's see black way. Yes, 2 years now, my pa, you know they walk again. My pa can use the use that they flex, they go the OBD. If you any fish joint, my pa did there. In fact, any joint, if you see my pa, you'll see a double line. A double line, my pa, and they cruise, they go. 2 years now, Papa no they work again. No, they go Ogbese again. He just they use the car to the flex bini. My Papa go marry you. Don't worry. He go marry you, join your wife. Wow. Bell back more. Ivie. Why Ivie yo yekia? Siana. Pricky don't Pricky run, Priscilla they cry. Pricky run, oh, Priscilla they cry. That money Otilo, it don't go. Otilo, it don't go. It don't use a tape for Pricky. Don't enter voice me. It don't go. Otilo. Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Osagie say that they do what people say again. Come Pricky run yo, Priscilla they cry. Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Oh, Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. I say Pricky go, and Priscilla they cry. Oh, Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Priscilla they cry. Priscilla they cry, hey, Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Priscilla they cry for Osagie Bola, oh, Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Bola don't go, Osagie don't carry Bola go, Priscilla they cry. If no, not gonna work, Beko, Ojekia, Pricky go, Priscilla they cry. Pricky don't go, Pricky don't go, Priscilla don't cry. Pricky don't go now, Osagie Pricky don't go, Priscilla they cry. Pricky don't go, Pricky don't go, Priscilla they cry. Oh, Priscilla want now Osagie beg, Osagie carry Pricky go. Osagie say, Priscilla you too old, my Pricky don't go. Pricky don't go, Pricky don't go. Priscilla you get they cry. Priscilla they cry yo, they cry yo, for Pricky we don't go. Say Pricky don't go, Pricky don't go, Priscilla they cry. Hey, Pricky don't go, Pricky don't go, Priscilla they cry. Oh, Priscilla want. Now make Pricky come, make Pricky come back. So Dion say, and now they carry come, my Pricky don't go. Yeah, Pricky don't go. What you like, don't go. First man, oh, he said first man right there. He said, the number you're calling right now is currently not reachable. Or the number you died cannot be reached at the moment. Please try again later. You don't have voice me. 100 million go. Wow. We do business 100 million. When 100 million you're not to complete everything. You get 100 million now, you not feel bad for UK. I went to UK. Azungu. Bike na wala na bike. Sister we get 100 million where they live for government house. What's a Dion talk boy. Ne time, me wa ya yo kpu ya mos we de when the day ya mosa no wa ya wo wo kan fo. Unhun yo ga togbuwa, won sa jo ga togbu, won yo ga togbuwa. Unhun wa ya no vio boy sa de ye ke woda wasun e ba mo rere gboto. Nu wada do you okpu ya mo rere gboto. Unhun agbon ya unhun mo ya ga togbu wa ga sun wu. I no gba wa ga gbu wa. Owu me me ga de yu wa lo le ki a we lo le ki a ye ki a. Lo le ki a market. Lo le ki a go to Spain. He not go to Spain because of Osagie reunion. Lolokia go to Spain, he go to Spain because of Malek Ebola. Maleke Bola, lo leke disappear for 7 hours. Go fucking Maleke Bola. Lo leke, Maleke side chick. Ooh. I don't trust women. Sadio, you no need to come sit down and do video. Sadio, you no need to come sit down. Udo atale, udo azelebo, no magbani nebo, no magbano. Sadio rezel, Sadio go azebo. After 20 years in America, Osagie go azebo, Osagie go azebo. Osagie yere na ge, ati e Osagie bare abi Osamu diame. No ye word of faith for how many years? E go azego. Sadio wa me, Sadio ke America. Osagie gbo kera ya mo ya America. Osagie go aze. Osagie wa azebo ye na boyi. Ogati, no, it was Salopo. Oh, can I go is a poor without you? No, a pork by bang. Sadio, I mustn't wear ya school where I say, at your head, I was a can't go. Can I really go with this cow, hold your honey? In Ivie, when I went in the carriage way, man, I mean, they did not view you in the carriage. Sadio. De wonu mi ojiba ki o Sadio Prissy do ye ki awonu mi ojiba egbowo Sadio de gboko nu to be atota do azele bo baba me nu do azele yi